Yeah. Just I'ma let this one go. I think back and remember when days you been there and days you weren't. Days you been there and days I thought that you wasn't, but you was, but you wasn't, but you was. See, sometimes I don't know really why I chose the road I chose. Sometimes really I just think about it. Why did God design this for me? But I stop thinking about it and understand that I'm called to do it. So I don't focus on what I'ma be, I'm just gonna be it. So I can take the time to waste the time, or I be. I'm focused on how I can be and be, he and me.
Lord, I love you, Lord, I adore you. I will give my troubles to you. Lord, I trust you, Lord, I adore you.
Sometimes I don't understand how many days you had my back when I was slipping, I was sliding. Sometimes yeah, we did backslide and you still pick me up and brush me off and dust me off and stand me back up and lift me back up and put me right back up in that where fire was shot up in my bones. Now I'm all caught up in the zone. Sometimes I really don't know, sometimes I really don't know. So I take the time to focus on how can I be in that zone where you and me be chillin' and we can get all in there, do that business that's
Lord, I trust you, Lord, I adore you. I will give my troubles to you. Lord, I love you, Lord, I trust you. I will give my problems to you.
Lord, I love you.
To you, I love you, Lord, I trust you. I will give my problems to you. Lord, I love you, Lord, I trust you. I will give my problems to you. Lord, I love you, Lord, I trust you. I will give my problems to you.